everybody. Today is Wednesday the 23rd. I don't even remember the last time that I vlogged. It's been a while. I had an exam. I got really behind on school, so I've just been catching up on school the past few days. But let's see, what else have we done? Did my exam. We went and got tested. And our test came back negative yesterday, so that's why you see me out and about. We're getting ready to go get some essentials. So I have my mask. We're gonna meet up with Elise. I think I'll include like a few clips. I did, oh my gosh, I'm just gonna die by a pigeon. I just did a few like montage clips over the past few days, I think. So I'll include those. I was supposed to move into my flat, but they said that there was some sort of like inspection that needs to be done, so they moved it to tomorrow, which is okay. But I have an exam tomorrow, so that's great. We're gonna go in here. We're gonna get some like housing essentials. I don't know what they'll have and what they won't have. I need to get like pillows, towels, like a bath mat, those sort of things. We're gonna meet Elise and do some shopping, so that'll be fun. This used to be like the main road, but ever since COVID, they like pedestrianized it so that everybody can just like walk. And there's talks of making it permanent, right?
Yeah.
That's so cool. Look how cute this lady is. I love those pants. Those are your wool pants?
Thank you. Yeah, and I got them off Depop. They're vintage golf trousers.
See, Elise, I swear, would be a better influencer than I am. She's so cute. I don't know. I like it. I really want a bucket hat. When things are £1, it's very dangerous. We stopped right here. This cute little alleyway and this pretty green wall. I don't know if those fingerprints are. I just noticed for some outfit pics.
Don't get run over.
I'm not gonna get run over. But my outfit today, I realized I didn't even show you guys. This is from Shein, which I actually haven't ordered from there since like 2015, and I feel a little guilty for ordering from them. But this is like a Zara jacket from last winter, and it kept selling out. I even signed up for like email notifications when it was back in stock, and I'd always click the link like immediately and it would be sold out by the time I clicked it. So I actually searched it on Google trying to find like one on Poshmark or something, and Shein came up, so I was like, okay. My purse though is from Shein also. When I went on the website, I saw this and I was like, okay, this was like $18, this was $10. I'll link them down below still, I guess. My turtleneck is just from Target. My vintage Louis lock earrings are from Target, and then I'm just wearing my black jeans from Madewell that are my favorites. And then I actually got some new shoes, excitingly. These are Nike, I think they're just the Air Max 270 if I remember. Maybe those are my pink ones, I don't know. But I actually like designed these on their website. That's my outfit for today. I think the shops are getting ready to close, so we're gonna go to like one or two other places and do dinner. This has been our fun little shop for the day. There you go. Is a bar. It's like it's like a restaurant slash bar slash lounge.
Yeah, they have good food.
They have really good food. We went here last time when I visited for the first time. It's so cute. We're going there on Saturday, and I'm really excited to show it to you guys because it is so cute. Cheeky Nando's! I'm gonna get Cheeky Nando's. They don't want to be associated with me.
You're gonna love the art gallery.
There's an art gallery?
It's beautiful.
Oh, I'm so excited. Can
they
we go?
spent a few million on it and they finally opened it. But then COVID.
Oh, so it's not open yet?
I don't know.
Oh. Well, we're gonna go to the art gallery. We are getting a taxi to the next store.
That might be the time. back.
There's the art gallery. I might have to. I've always wanted one. They're kind of small. Oh my gosh. That's huge. I guess it's a bunch of them knitted together. Okay, we are back and having dinner. We just got Deliveroo, which is like Uber Eats, from an Italian place. Isabel got like a penne. I got a mushroom risotto with chicken and prosciutto, and that's like olive tapenade on there. I know it looks nasty, but I'm doing my calendar. I'm gonna do October, but I'm finishing up September just to make sure I like the formatting and stuff. I got this huge calendar from, I don't know, it was like Typo. It was like a paper goods store. It was on clearance for £3 because it's like just the end of the year. And I was like, that is perfect. I'll hang it up in my wall because I don't have any like wall decorations. We are watching more Housewives and we've got the fireplace going. I think that's pretty much all for tonight. So unless there are some other developments, I will see you guys tomorrow. Hello everybody, hopefully you can still hear me. Today is the day that I get to go sign my lease, get my keys, and then move everything in. I'm currently walking to the office right now. I got my keys and my leasing paperwork. Now I am walking to my flat to see it in person for the first time. I think Isabel and Lisa are going to meet me there later. I just want to take a look at it before I get all my stuff to move in. Well, here we are. This is my very first impression. Oh, old, kind of creepy, but kind of cute. I don't know which one I am. Here's the street that I'm on. I'm really excited to go to this restaurant. It looks so cute. I think this is the living room. Let's see. Oh no, this is my bedroom. Oh, this is so nice. I love this bed. Now this right here is my favorite part. This is a huge wardrobe that is like all mirror, and I'm going to be able to fit so much in here, which is a very dangerous thing. Oh, I like this. Turn the light on. That's the only light. Oh, I'm gonna have to get a lamp or something. But I do have one of these like fireplaces. It works though. Whew, I can really smell it. I wish it looked more like a real fire, but oh well. This fruit looks so sad. Giant strobes. Okay, we're trying to find tartar sauce for our fish and chips. Oh, this guacamole looks really sad too. Oh, baby milk. Baby milk, baby milk. I think I'm gonna have to do a crisp tasting American hot pizza. Katsu curry. Okay. Looking a bit more homey now. Isabel and Elise are literally the best. There she goes. They, while I was studying for my exam, came and cleaned it up a bit, kind of decorated, added a few things. They got me flowers and a candle. How sweet is that? We just got to take out fish and chips.
Mushy peas.
Mushy peas. Do they call this like a chippa?
So in Aberdeen you'd call it a chippy.
A chippy?
And then in other places you'd call it a chipper.
A chipper.
And then some places in England just call it like fish and chips or fish and chip shop.
But look how cute this is over here. These candles are actually from Isabel's, and she was like, I don't really want them, you can take them. And I was like, okay. They go so well with the little fireplace. Like, I'm really liking this vibe. Here's the little kitchen, but I think I'm gonna wait and do, I guess I'll do like an empty apartment tour tomorrow, and then I'll do like a full apartment tour once I kind of get more settled in. Hello everybody, good morning. As you can tell, today is a chilly, no, I'm vlogging. Today is a very chilly and windy day. It's one of the first really cold days here. So I'm wearing this hat. We bought it at Primark, and it's actually Isabel's, but we're kind of gonna share it. So it's the Sisterhood of the Traveling Hat. And I've wanted a bucket hat for a while now, but I've never really thought that that like hats are very flattering on me, but my friends convinced me that it looked cute and I actually like it. What I'm gonna do right now is go to the shops. I need to get a mattress protector, I need to get door stops, just like random stuff. And that's about a 40-minute walk away, which is why I'm dressed really warmly. But I want to get like a coffee. I was thinking, oh my gosh, like get a hot coffee, which I'm not a hot coffee person, but hot coffee, and like drink it as I walk there down the cute little streets. So I'm excited. We're gonna go for a little walk. It's so windy. We're gonna see if I lose this hat. This is kind of like the university district. Like I'm getting really close to the school. Look at that cottage. That's actually photo worthy. So this is a Suzuki Jimmy, and they used to make them like in the 90s, but they just brought them back, and I don't know if we are getting them in America or not. They're so cute. I'm so excited to like actually see one up close and personal, because they're just like little Wrangler, little like from the back they look like little G-Wagons. Like how cute are they? Like I think I would actually really enjoy having one, and they're like very, very capable off-road. Just like normal cars here are stuff that you would like never see in America. What's that? Yeah, so this is the M2 competition. If you guys remember the little blue car that I had last year, this is the like extra high performance version of it. I love this color. This is called Long Beach Blue. It's absolutely beautiful. One of my friends back home actually just got one. Citron cactus. Air bumps. These are squishy. How wild is that? Casual things that you see just walking to the store. Cat! Oh, this is gonna be my new best friend. Come here! Are you friendly? Come here, baby. Hi. Hi, sweetie kitty. Are you just a little friendly cemetery cat? So I just stumbled upon this old cemetery, and there's the ocean. How is this just like what you stumble upon while walking to the store? Are you gonna go with me? I put on both mattress protectors and my fitted sheet. We washed these last night, so they're drying. Towels aren't dry yet, but I just now turned the radiators on and they're drying a bit more. So yeah, these are all clean. I'm gonna go ahead and try to make up the bed. I have a visitor. Oh, they do open that way. Nice.
So cute.
I was just stuck. That's amazing.
Wow, look at that vibe.
That is a whole vibe. If only it wasn't like 50 degrees out.
Yeah, it's absolutely freezing now.
Here's a better view of the street. Hello down there.
So
and that's like the main road. I don't want to lean out too far to point, but yeah, I'm like on the second story, which is actually the third story. You can barely see like way in the distance, like on the horizon is more like, not countryside, maybe more like suburbs, but like there's fields and trees and stuff out there. It's now like 10 or 11 p.m., pretty late. I got dinner, did a few more things. I actually ended up moving my bed to the window, which I don't really know if I like. We'll see. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to unpack some stuff before bed. Oh my gosh, you can see the indentation in the bed where I just sat for like probably just like half an hour or more just scrolling through my phone because I was so tired. Look at that. That's, oh my gosh, that's literally like a butt print. That is hilarious. Anyway, I'm just gonna maybe unpack some stuff. Then go to bed, but I realized that I've been vlogging for over a week now, like almost 2 weeks, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and probably end this video tonight and get it up because it's been so long since I've uploaded. Gonna try to get this edited maybe tomorrow or the next day, which is exciting, and I'll obviously continue vlogging. I'll do like a full apartment tour, but comment down below what else you want to watch because I'm open to really doing anything that I can. But I kind of want to do like a haul of like all the stuff I got for my apartment, so like this video if that's something that you would like to see. If you enjoyed this video, of course, subscribe and hit that bell so that you never miss an upload of mine. Like this video, leave me a comment, all that good stuff, and I will see you next time. Bye!